Hey, future scientist, I've got a question for you. Have you ever wondered what makes a flower so colorful? Or why the rain always leaves those perfect little ripples? That's not just curiosity, that's the first step to becoming a scientist. And guess what? You don't need a fancy lab to start your journey. All you need is a blank book, a few simple materials, and a mind full of questions. Today, we are building our very own scientist journal. This isn't just a notebook, it's your personal lab, your map to new discoveries, and your secret weapon for exploring the world around you. Every great discovery starts with the question. And today, we are not just making a craft, we are creating a tool for your curiosity. This project is for everyone who loves to ask why. It's a place to write down your questions and turn every day into a new adventure in learning. Teachers and parents, this is the perfect tool to help kids nurture their curiosity and develop a passion for science. So, grab your supplies because it's time to build your very own science journal and start your quest to become a true scientist. This is your personal space to become an explorer, an inventor, and a problem solver. As you design the cover, think about all the things you want to discover. This journal is a promise to yourself to keep asking questions even when the answers aren't easy to find. As we build this journal, remember that every piece we add, every color we choose is a part of your unique scientific adventure. This is where you will capture your observations, your wild guesses, and the incredible answers you find. And there you have it. Our scientist journal is complete and ready for action. And here is a special touch. I've created a little space right here for you to put a photo. This makes the journal completely yours, a unique reminder that you are the scientist on this adventure. This is more than just a craft. It's a tool for you to explore, to question, and to learn. Join me in the next video where we'll open up our books together and start our first entry, showing you how to apply this concept in your own life. I can't wait to see you there.